Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky tech problems into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the issue of your Spectrum modem's battery light blinking red. If you're dealing with this in 2025 or beyond, you're in the right place. Let's get straight to it. First off, what does a blinking red battery light mean? On your Spectrum modem, this is usually a warning sign that there's a problem with the backup battery. It could indicate that the battery is low on power, completely drained, or even faulty. This might happen after a power outage or if the modem hasn't been used for a while. Don't worry, it's often an easy fix, but ignoring it could lead to connectivity issues. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The blinking red light might be due to a simple loose power connection, a drained battery from frequent outages, or even overheating if your modem is in a poorly ventilated spot. In some cases, it could point to a hardware problem that needs professional attention. Alright, time for the troubleshooting steps. Start by checking all your cables. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged in and that there are no frayed wires. Next, try restarting your modem. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This often resets minor glitches. If that doesn't work, you might need to replace the battery. Spectrum modems use standard backup batteries, which you can purchase online or from a tech store. Follow the user manual for safe replacement, it's usually straightforward. While you're at it, ensure your modem is in a cool, dry place to prevent future overheating. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact Spectrum support. They can run diagnostics remotely or schedule a technician visit. Remember, regular maintenance like updating your modem's firmware can help prevent this problem down the line. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing that blinking red battery light. We hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any other questions. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.